here before, can look you in the eye.
Here's our keen. Give it up, lads.
Just like an egg.
Good morning. It is Saturday, the 20th of January, and I'm out with our Scott again. We're up in Glen Esk. We're going to do a single Munro, Mount Keen. Weather conditions are probably not the best. Certainly not as good as we had 2 weeks ago. I don't think we'll get any way in the views. Could be rain, could be snow. Definitely going to be in the clag. What did I say, the C word? Sorry, I'm not supposed to say the C word. But anyway, I'll bring you back further on.
I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body, want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep, I'm a widow.
This is just over an hour into the hike, starting the ascent up the Munro. So far so good, the weather's been really kind to us. A wee spit of rain at the start. Never came to much, with full waterproofs on today. I don't like to take them half in case the rain comes on and they get caught out. It's actually really warm. I think when I left the car it was something like 5 degrees or something, so. But according to the weather forecast, the wind chill at the summit is to be -15. I don't know how much you can read into that, so we're really kitted up for winter gear. But it's a long walk in, gradual pull to the top. So far so good. I say the weather, it's not too bad. It's actually really pleasant, the weather. The conditions underfoot can be a wee bit treacherous, where the ice is very, very compact. A lot of soft snow still on the top of it as well. But feel the burn. That's us currently at 650 metre mark, well in the snow line, and we've just been walking for over 2 hours. The weather's actually not bad. The wind's got up a wee bit. We knew we were getting wind today. They're guaranteed high winds, but touch wood, it's really, really nice looking. Tough going in the snow. Aye, very tough going in the snow.
Say
This is just after the summit of Mount Keane. Absolutely fantastic. Blowing a hole at the summit. But amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, I did not expect that. That's us coming down off the summit and we're all to all sunshine. That certainly was the forecast. We were expecting high winds, low cloud, and probably some rain. But touch wood, we've not had any rain. We did get the high winds at the summit, but this is absolutely glorious. I'm made up. I'm definitely made up. This has been a fantastic hike. I've done this Munro before. A long time ago, before I'd done any vlogging and that, and I've no recollection of it. All I can remember was the Queen's Well and that house. I've got a couple of photos, but I've not got any any recollection of doing the Munro. But that's probably right. As I was saying, my battery died there. I've done this Munro before and I don't have any recollection of doing it, so I'm so glad I come up with Scott today. Scott's not done it before, so I said I'd come up with him and do it. But I'll not forget this in a hurry. This has been an absolutely fantastic day. I couldn't have wrote the script for this one. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Cheers. Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh. A big shout out to everybody we met today, everybody that watches my channel. It's getting recognised, it's getting quite regular now. Thanks again guys, you're one in a million, thanks very much appreciated. Well, that's us done and almost back at the car. I think we're 12 mile and 5 hours and 40 minutes. Absolutely fantastic day, far better than what I'd imagined. Gone with the weather forecast, it was all doom and gloom, but I'll take that any day of the week. So if you managed to watch this far, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.